Today we're going to be finishing up the off-white elephant prints. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to the channel. If you're new, make sure to subscribe, hit that like button. It really helps out the channel. Today we're going to be making off-white elephant prints. As you can see, they're pretty much all wrapped up. They just got to be lasted on the mold. Today we got to last this up. I threw some of the holes in right there as well as the upper wings. This shoe's looking really awesome. I'm really happy with how this is turning out so far, especially with the elephant print there and there. I think it really just makes it pop really nicely. We also got, you know, all the stitching on the inside, no stitch right there. So what I got today is my last. This is going to be a size 8. We got lasting board and nails. Those are available on my website if you need them. All we're going to do is pretty much wrap it all around, nail it down, and glue it up. So the tools I'm going to be using, lasting hammer right here. We got the glue. All the links are down in the description if you need them. Also the nails, as I mentioned, the lasting board, and also we got the shoes right here. These are going to be the soles that I'm using. As you can see, I got them from StockX, but these are going to be the soles, red and white. Very simple, very easy. I think the red and white soles are going to look great on the shoe. As you can see, I'll have to rip this off, take it off, throw it on that one once we're done, but let's start lasting. So these are the off-white Air Jordan 1s, elephant prints. I think these are the cleanest shoes that I've made up to date. As you can see, they're very clean, came out very nice. I'm a real big fan of these shoes. We're gonna be putting the red and white soles on these bad boys. But as you see, you got the elephant print, that Nike elephant print. Air Jordan 1s, pretty much, they're off-white. We got the wings flapping just like that, you know. Pretty much lasted it up. So as you can see, I still got to pull out the nails, everything like that, but this was a perfect thickness for leather that I chose. I'm really happy with how this leather turned out to be. I got this leather at my local store, so I think it's about 2.5 ounces ish, somewhere around there, maybe 3. I think 2 though, 2, 3, probably like that. But that's what it looks like for the red. The white is you know, just a normal leather that I use. I think that's 2 ounces as well. As you can see, we just got to stitch the upper part and then we'll be finished with that. But I mean, these pretty much came out really nice. As you can see, I'm super happy with them. Probably the cleanest stitching I've done to a shoe up to date. I just got to throw them in, get them all shaped up, and then get them ready for the soles. As I showed earlier, these are the soles that we're going to be using, just simple red and whites. I think they're going to be going well with the shoe, you know, if you just get that vibe action, you know. It's kind of be what it's going to look like. I'm not going to be putting the word right here. I might put a word later on, but for right now I'm not going to put anything. I don't really want to add that for right now. I think it's very clean how it is, you know, just very just keep it simple how it is. So the little touches that we got the orange square on the back. As you can see, I used orange stitching. I hand wrapped that part right there with light blue, so that turned out very nice. We got the whole elephant print Nike. We got the blue stitching up here as well. I just did like 5 back and forth stitches on the front. Very simple, very clean though. On the back, you know, we got our X action going on. I really like how that turned out. I think it's super cool, super unique, you know. But I mean, this is pretty much going to be the shoe. I'm not too sure if we're going to go with red or white laces, so comment down below if you think I should do red. Comment down if you think I should do white laces. I think the off-white Jordans are white laces, but they also come with different laces like neon colors, stuff like that. So I mean, we could probably throw in, you know, some neon orange, some neon green, something like that, maybe like a light blue that goes well with that color. I'm not too sure, but these are pretty much what they look like. So this is the first shoe. I gotta last up the second shoe. Some tips that I'll share with doing the lasting on the bottom. So first, as you saw, I just nailed everything down, gotten in the right position. From there, I glued it all got it all ready. Got the heat gun. I just ran it across a little bit to get it nice and tacky so it sticks well. From here, I nailed in all the areas. I did the toe last, so I nailed in the heel, nailed in the mid areas. From there, you know, I push it down. It stuck very well where you don't really need nails. I just put them there to secure it, you know, for safety and stuff like that. From there, I worked on to the toe. I worked on the liner. Then from there, worked on the outer edge. So now it's all ready for the next step. So what I got to do is take out all the nails. From there, we're going to skive it down. We're going to get it all nice and flat and get it ready all for the sole. If you haven't yet, make sure to hit the like button. It really helps out my channel, helps us grow. We're climbing really fast, so I thank you for all the support. I'm super excited to share, you know, cool stuff like this, and let's get on to the video. So right now, I'm just gonna be pulling out all the nails. I just wanna kind of talk you through this real quick. It's super fast step throughout here. But if you wanna join the shoemaking community, check out my online shoe course. I got you full-on videos from step 1 to the very last step on how to make your own shoe just like this. So you got to rock your own custom pair handmade by yourself. And also go check out my Facebook group that I made. It's super fun. Lots of shoe creators in there that are all into shoes as well, whether you know just collect, whether you customize, whether you're just interested in making your own pair of shoes, or you just like to look at shoes. Come check it out. It's free. The link's in my description with all my other links to all the tools and everything that I have. We're growing the group. It's super fun in there. We just, you know, talk about shoe stuff like that. So make sure to go join that as well. And just like that, it's super clean. As you can see, I like to hammer it down, you know, flatten the leather, make it nice and flush. Took out all the nails. All that we really got are the little groupings up here. What we're gonna do is just cut it down, skive it down, get it all nice and flat, because when we put the sole onto it, we want it nice and flush, so when we have our foot inside, we don't feel any of this wrinkle and stuff like that, if it makes sense. So I'm gonna get my skive, I'm gonna get some knives, I'm just gonna cut that down nice and simple, and then it's gonna get it all smooth. Just like that, the shoe is now all finished. As you can see, it's nice and smooth off on the bottom. Got that nice smooth bottom. So now it's gonna feel great once it goes onto the sole. But these are the off-white Air Jordan 1s, as you can see. Inspired by, you know, the red and white Chicago way with the elephant print on it. I think they look great. We got the orange tab, we got the blue right there, elephant print obviously. We got all the red and white action going around, as well as the elephant on the back. We got all the stitching on the inside with the Nike sign having no stitch. That's just holes, you know. So for the most part, you know, this is a shoe. And now the next video will be us putting the sole onto the shoe and finishing it up. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to hit that like button. It really helps out the channel, as well as go check out some of the merch on my website. It really helps the channel grow so we can make some cool content like this as well. We got all the shoe classes, all the Facebook groups, stuff like that down in the links. So go check that out, and thanks for watching.